Hello and welcome to Drogheda on the Boyne, our beautiful medieval town just 20 minutes from Dublin Airport and the perfect location to host Fleadh Cheoil na hEireann in 2014. Rich in heritage, yet young at heart. We may be the largest town in Ireland, but we still have a village feel, plus a wealth of unique attractions and superb venues, not to mention the manpower and infrastructure in place to host this vibrant and family-friendly festival. One of the largest and fastest growing towns in Ireland, Drogheda is functionally part of the Greater Dublin area, with a large number of people living in the town and hinterland, making the daily commute to Dublin and further afield. We have a strategic location along the Eastern Corridor, with access to the M1 motorway, rail and port facilities, meaning the town is well positioned for markets home and abroad. Twinned with the town of Salinas in California, major cultural and investment links have been forged, with recent job announcements and tourism strategies instilling confidence for a bright future. Drogheda is a medieval town with a large number of attractive protected structures and a striking ancient street layout, making it an attractive destination for tourists. Drogheda hosted the National Famine Commemoration this year, where over 1,500 people took part, welcoming Taoiseach Enda Kenny and President Michael D. Higgins, who inspected a military guard of honour, and many other dignitaries. Music was provided by harpist Michael O'Neill and the St Peter's Male Voice Choir, while members of the Little Duke Theatre in Drogheda performed a special dance. Drogheda offers exceptional tourist attractions, including Millmount, St Peter's Roman Catholic Church with its unique shrine to St Oliver Plunkett, the 13th century Barbican St Lawrence Gate and Buttergate, the Viaduct Bridge, the Tholsel, High Lanes Gallery and the remains of the town wall. A natural gateway to the breathtaking Boyne Valley, the town also has an abundance of archaeological sites, with Newgrange, one of Ireland's unique treasures and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, on its doorstep. Just a stone's throw from the town centre, you'll find the Battle of the Boyne site and Old Bridge House, Mellifont Abbey and the High Crosses at Monasterboice. The transport infrastructure to which the town has ready access includes the M1 motorway, the Dublin to Belfast rail line, Dublin Airport and Dublin Seaport, as well as other national routes such as the N51 to Navan and Mullingar and the N2 to Ardee, Carrickmacross and Castleblaney. Not only can Drogheda deliver in terms of location and rich heritage, it has a wealth of venues to suit events of all sizes and a proven track record of hosting annual events. The annual St Patrick's Day Parade and Samba music festivals attract many more each year. And we're honoured to welcome the first cruiser from North America this summer, the first of many to visit our port. Drogheda has accommodation to suit all pockets, from comfortable and homely guest houses to beautiful hotels with first-class restaurants, amenities and Wi-Fi services. From intimate venues such as the Barbican and the Drogheda Arts Centre, which already welcomes thousands to the hugely popular Drogheda Arts Festival each year, to the Tommy Leddy Theatre, Drogheda can cater for events of all sizes. It has many fine national, secondary and third-level educational facilities, with students eager to share their knowledge and passion for music and song.
Drogheda Cultists are bidding to bring Fleadh Cheoil na hEireann to Drogheda in 2014 for a variety of reasons. Of course, the economic and tourism impact it will have in the town would be fantastic. But much more important than that is the legacy that it will leave in Drogheda. It will leave a legacy of traditional music, song, dance and language that no other event could possibly do.
Hello, my name is Gavin Duffy from Dragon's Den, and I've been to the Fleadh Cheoil in Cavan, and it's an absolutely fantastic venue, and well done to the folks there. But I want to assure you that I genuinely believe, as a Drogheda man, the whole community will so much be behind Fleadh Cheoil na hEireann that Drogheda has to be the venue.
In our attempt to attract the Fleadh Cheoil to Drogheda, I've been assured by the GAA and the clubs in the surrounding area that they will participate fully, and they see it as an ideal opportunity to promote the Irish culture and indeed the GAA within the county. They're delighted to provide their grounds and their facilities in order to have the event hosted in Drogheda, and I'm really looking forward to the event.
Thank you for joining me on this whistle-stop tour of Drogheda, which has so much more to offer and is the ideal spot to host the Fleadh Cheoil na hEireann in 2014. Slán go fóill.